Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how you can use any TikTok video as your phone's lock screen. The first thing we'll do is give TikTok permissions to save photos to your phone. Let's go to Settings, then in the search bar, type in TikTok. Once located, just press it, then go to Photos. And we just want to add photos only. If you have other permissions, that's fine, but we need add photos only in this example. Close the settings window, then go to TikTok and find the video you want to use. Once you've located your video, look down the right hand side for the share button, press it, then have a look for live photo, press that. It's now converting this video into a live photo and saving it to your phone. Once complete, we can close TikTok, then go to Photos. This is the converted video. If you look on the left corner, you can see the share button, press that. Scroll down the list until you see Use as Wallpaper. You can move and scale the photo if you so wish. Just make sure that this live photo button is enabled. It says live photo on, then press Set. Select Set Lock Screen. We can close this window, lock the phone, we'll tap to wake it up, and now if we press and hold the screen, the video plays back. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, leave a comment in the comments. Let me know what video you're going to use on your lock screen. Really appreciate a thumbs up, that helps me out a ton as well. Thank you very much for choosing my video. Please stay safe and have a great day ahead.